Hello, Guljanar. How are you, Miss Guljanar?
Hello, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Now, Miss Guljanar, can you read question number 1?
Are there many museums in
Any
your
museum?
any museums in your hometown?
Hometown. Where are you from, Guljanar? Where are you from?
I'm from Kazakhstan, is Pavlodar.
You're from Pavlodar, yes? Yes. There are, yes, we can say, yeah, but да, там есть. Are there museums in Pavlodar? What is it called? Как называется? It is called...
Где этот, как сказать, Павлодар?
Yes. Как называется этот музей, название музея?
Название музея?
Yeah.
Торайгыров можно называть.
It's called Торайгыров.
Торайгыров.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Bota, hello, Bota. Good evening. How are you, Bota?
Hello.
Are you okay?
Hello, I'm good. And you?
I'm very well, thank you. Please, Bota, can you read the first question? Yes, please. Are there... Bota, читаем вопрос.
Are there many museums in your hometown?
Yes. Есть ли у вас там музей в городе?
Yes.
Yes, there are. Как называется?
There are a lot of them.
There are a lot of museums. Okay. Okay. Where do you live?
In Almaty.
Oh, Almaty. Of course. There are many museums. Okay. Thank you. Bota, next question. Can you read next question?
Do you think museums are useful for visitors to your hometown country? No, I don't visit museum.
Думаете ли вы музеи, да, useful, прибыльный или же пайдалы, да, для посетителей в вашем городе или же в вашей что, стране?
Yes, museums are useful
Yes.
in city.
They do деп айтсақ болады. Сперва yes, сосын барып дополнительная информация береміз. Yes, they do. A lot of, you can say, көп адам келеді деген сияқты. A lot of visit the city. Посещает город, да? Yes, thank you. Thank you, Bota. Yes, Miss Janar, can you read question number 2, please?
Hello, teacher. How are you?
Very well, thank you. How are you?
Very well.
Okay, please, can you read question number 2?
Так. Do you think museums are useful for visitors to your hometown?
Yes. Do you think museums are useful for visitors to your hometown? Okay.
Useful.
Yeah, yes, I do. Да, я так думаю. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Where do you live, Miss Janar?
Oh.
Where do you live? What city do you live?
I'm living in Atrau.
Atrau. Oh, yes. So, do many people visit museums in Atrau?
Yes.
Yes, they do, yeah?
Yes, I do.
Yes. Thank you, Janar. Gul Janar, please. Question number 2.
Do you think museums are useful for visitors to your hometown country? Yes.
Yes. I do.
A lot of people visit the city.
Yes, a lot of people visit the city. Okay, thank you. Yes, Bota, please. Question number 3.
Do you often visit a museum? Ты часто посещаешь музей? No,
Да,
I don't.
hardly ever. Hardly
I don't.
ever у нас почти никогда. Может, раз в год, может, да? I hardly ever visit a museum. Okay? Hardly ever, почти никогда. Thank you. Yes, Miss Janar?
Do you often visit a museum?
Museums.
Museum, да?
Okay.
Museum, да?
Okay, yes.
Museum. Yes, I do.
Ага, часто вы
Көп болды бармағаныма қалай болады?
It's been ages. Много. Yeah, it's been ages since
It's been ages.
I was at the museum. То есть было много, yeah? It's been ages I was at the museum. То есть музейде болғаннан бері көп уақыт
болды.
It's been ages деп айтсақ болады. Конкретно білмесек, да?
It's been ages.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Janar. I like it. Gul Janar, please.
Do you often visit a museum? It's been ages since I was at the museum.
Yes, it's been ages since I was at the museum. Good. Thank you. I like it. Yes, that's good. Next one, question number 4, please. Miss Bota, please.
Did you go to any museums when you were a child? Yes, I went. Yes, I went. It was the Aliya Moldagulova museum.
Yes, I went to Aliya. Let's say Aliya because Moldagulova is too long. Khairat Aga is lazy. I went to Aliya's museum, let's say. Yes. Okay. Amazing. And what did you see there, Miss Bota? What did you see there? Ne gördünüz o yerden?
I don't remember.
You don't remember, but I think that you saw a gun, yes? A gun, yes? Gun, pistolet. I think
Yeah.
Moldagulova was a sniper, yes? Am I right? She was a sniper, huh?
Yes.
Amazing. Thank you. Yes, Miss Janar, please. Miss Janar, did you go to?
Did you go to museum when you were a child? Yes, I did. I went to museum in
where? Where? What museum did you go?
I don't remember.
You don't remember? But what did you see there?
Did you see? I see. I saw that.
Simple. I saw. Yes.
I saw animals.
Animals. And
clothes. Солдаттардың киімдері.
Soldiers clothes. Yes. Soldiers clothes.
Soldiers clothes. That's all.
That's it. Clothes. Yes. Thank you. Yes, Miss Guljanar, please.
Сейчас открывается у меня только.
Okay.
Did you go to any museums when you were a child? Yes.
Ходили ли на?
I went to Yırtız museums.
Oh, you went to Yırtız Museum. Okay. What did you see there?
Museum. There is anthropology.
Anthropology. Okay.
Anthropology and flora и fauna.
Flora and fauna, yes.
И
Fauna.
так еще.
That's all, yes?
Неоген period.
Okay, new gene period, yes, yes. Did you
Neogen period.
see any bones, people's like heads, skull? Did you
Yes.
see skull? Oh, wow, that's great. How old were you when you went there? How old were you when you went there? Сколько вам было?
15 years, скорее всего.
I was,
15
мне
years.
было, да? I was.
Ага. I was 15 years
Old. Okay, great. Thank you.
old.
I like it. I like it. Move it, move it. You like it. Move it. Yeah, thank you. Yes, Bota, please.
When was the last time you visited a museum? Когда ты последний раз была в музее? When I was in 7th grade.
Yes, you can say, yeah, I visited.
I visited in 7th grade.
When I was at the, what, 7th class, yes?
Yeah, great.
Okay, 7th class, 7th grade, no problem. Miss Bota, are you a student now? What do you do? Do you work?
No, I am a student in university.
At university, okay. What do you study?
Studying the stomatology, dentist.
Dentist.
Какой курс?
You're a dentist. What course?
Первый курс.
Oh, Salta, we forgot you. Yes, Salta, sorry. Hello. We forgot Salta. Yes, Salta. Thank you, Bota. Thank you. Salta, how are you? We forgot you. We can't see here. That's why. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Salta. Can you
First time.
Now, first time. Yeah, I
I
see you first time. Welcome. So this is Miss Janar, this is Miss Janar, and this is Bota, our students. So yeah, we read the questions and translate and answer the questions. Please, Miss Salta, can you read question number 5 and try to answer it?
When was the last time you visited a museum?
Yeah.
I visited the museum when I was
When you were
11th class.
yes,
maybe.
you were at the
I don't remember.
Don't remember. So tell us a little bit about yourself, Miss Salta. What do you do? Are you a student? What do you study? Where do you live? Okay, please.
My name is Salta, and
Yes.
I'm 18.
Yeah.
I live in Kızılorda.
Kızılorda.
At the moment,
do you go to university or do you go to school?
I study in a college.
Oh, in a college. Okay. What
At the moment.
There?
What?
What do you study there?
I study English.
You study English. Wow, you're my future colleague. Amazing. That's great, Salta. Thank you, Salta. Okay.
But my English so bad.
No, it's good. It's okay for 18-year-old. It's quite good. No problem. So you're here to improve your English. You're welcome. Please, no problem, Miss Salta. Is that you on your profile?
Oh?
Is that you on your profile photo? Is that you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. It looks like a picture. Amazing. That's good.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Salta. Yeah, nice to meet you and welcome to our class. Yeah. Okay. Miss Janar, please, question number 6.
Do you think museums are important? Important. Как переводится?
Важный.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, yes, I do. Так, think'тың синонимін берейік, yeah? I suppose it is very important. Important for us, yes? For us это у нас для...
Да, для нас.
I think несі синонима. Okay? Thank you, Janar. Miss Janar, yes?
Yes, I do. I suppose it's very important for is
Very important.
very important for you use
Us. For us.
us.
Или ваши какие-то свои идеи есть, можете добавить, да? Я просто как классика добавляю, да? Yes, I do, I suppose. Другие есть еще идеи? Если есть, можете сказать. Мы вместе будем перевести. We translate together.
Нету пока идей.
Okay, thank you. Miss Bota?
Yes, I think it's very important for us.
Us или же for our future десек болады, для нашего будущего, да? For our future, for our prosperity, для нашего процветания, да? Thank you, Bota. Yes, Salta, here, Bolat, please. Miss Salta, are you here? Salta. Hi, Salta. Please, can you read question number 6?
Do you think museums are important? Yes, I do. I think the museums important for us because we know мы узнаем что-то новое деген қалай болады?
What?
Мы узнаем
We will find out. Yes, find out.
Find out.
Yeah, find
We'll
out.
find out
Something new for us. Yeah? We will find out something new for us. В музее деп қояйық, at the museum. At the museum. Museum, okay?
Museum.
Amazing. I like it. Yes, that's great. That's great. We have to know the past in order to move forward. Yes? We have to know the past
to
move forward. Мы должны знать прошлое, чтобы двигаться
дальше.
Двигаться в будущее. Okay. Thank you.
To the future.
Yes, for the future. It's important for our future. Okay. Next one, Miss Janar, please. Thank you, Salta. Thank you. Yes, Miss Janar.
Do you think it's suitable for museums to sell? Suitable for museums to sell things to visitors?
Suitable. Yes, I do. Немесе no, I don't. Десек болады, можно. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Отвечаем yes, I do, no, I don't, потому что вопрос начинается с do. Сұрақ содан басталады. Yes, please, Miss Janar. Do you think it's suitable for museums? То есть это нормально ли деген сияқты suitable, подходит, подходящий деген сөз ғой, suitable деген. Подходит ли для музеев продавать вещи для посетителей?
No, I don't.
No, you don't. And why?
Because this is no, это не рынок как бы.
Because it is not a market.
Yeah.
Because it's not a market. Nice idea. Потому что это не рынок. Good. Thank you, Miss Janar. Gul Janar, please. Number 7, Miss Guljanar. Oh my God, Guljanar has left us. Bota, please. Bota, can you read question number 7, please?
Do you think it's suitable for museums to sell things to visitors? I don't care. Мне все равно, потому что but doesn't force people.
Sorry. Because
doesn't force people.
Yeah, I don't care, you can say, or it doesn't matter, неважно, да? It doesn't. Thank you. It doesn't matter. I don't care. Мне все равно. It doesn't matter. деген сияқты жауап берсек болады. Okay, thank you, Bota, please. Salta, please. Miss Salta?
Yes. Seven question, yes.
Yes, question number 7. Yes, please.
Do you think it's suitable for museums to sell things to visitors? Yes, I do. I think it's suitable for museums to sell things because we can sell valuable things from the past.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
For example, jewelry.
Yeah.
Украшения қалай болады? Jewelry болады.
Yes. Jewelry. Okay.
Ethnic things.
Ethnic things, yes. Yes. And you can also sell their, or they can also sell their as souvenirs. Yes, for example, like.
Yes, souvenirs.
Korkut Ata's
We can sell.
qobuz, yes, Korkut Ata's qobuz, and what else? His maybe hat you can sell, yes, at the museums in Kızılorda. Kızılorda is famous for Korkut Ata, yes, am I right?
Yes, yeah.
Yes. Was he born there?
Born there?
Yes. Was Mr. Korkut Ata born in Kızılorda?
Born in Kızılorda. I don't know.
You don't know. You live in Kızılorda, but you don't know. Oh, okay. Thank you. I like. Thank you. Thank you. Salta, can you read question number 1, please?
What public holidays do you have in the country?
Yes. What holidays do you have in your country?
We have Nowruz.
Yes. First, the 8th of March.
Of March.
And Nowruz.
Holidays for women.
For women, yes. Oh, strawberry in chocolate. Yes, you get strawberry in chocolate, huh?
And Nowruz.
Yes, in Nowruz. Okay. And what other holidays do we have?
Other holidays?
Yes.
Holidays.
Yes, other holidays. Do we have other holidays?
7 May will call it 7th May. What? May
7th May.
7th.
Yes, 7th of
Yeah. 7th of May.
the Men's Day, yes? Okay, thank you.
And
Yes? Sorry?
9th May, Victory Day.
Oh, 9th May, the Victory Day. Yes, 9th of May. Oh, Kazakh people like holidays. Thank you. Yes, Miss Bota.
Yeah.
Yes, Salta. Thank you.
Nothing.
Thank you. Bota, please. Can you read?
Мен тоже осыларға қосыламын.
Yeah, I agree.
I agree with
Oh, yeah.
Ruslan.
I agree with Salta, yes? I agree with...
With me.
Sorry?
No, nothing.
Nothing. Okay, thank you.
Oh.
Janar, do you have, Miss Janar, do you have anything to add?
25 of October.
25th of October. What holiday is it?
День Республики.
The Day of the Republic, yes? The Day of the Republic. Okay.
Then 16th November, December is
yeah.
Независимость как будет?
Independence Day.
Independence Day.
Independence Day. The 16th of December is Independence Day.
And
then
first
we have
January, New
31st.
New Year. The
Yes.
New Year.
1st of December, we have Happy New Year. New Year's holiday, yeah? Жаңа жыл деген мейрам. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Next question. Janar, please. Next question.
Do people in your country celebrate Christmas?
Yeah.
In our
Рано жеп
country,
қойыңыз. Christmas, celebrate, country, okay?
in our country, celebrate the Christmas because the in this Atrau works expats.
Expats.
Mhm.
So, not many people celebrate Christmas in Atrau, yes?
Yes.
Not немного людей деген сияқты. Not many people celebrate it is like Christmas. Not many people celebrate it in Atrau. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yes, Miss Salta, please.
Question number 2.
Mm-hmm.
Do people in your country celebrate Christmas?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
They do.
I
Yes,
I
they
think
do.
celebrate the Christmas.
Mm-hmm. What?
По крайней мере,
Christmas Day. When is Christmas Day? Who knows?
Christmas Day 7th
Нет.
January. No.
25.
25th of
25
December.
December.
Yes.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm. The 25th of December is Christmas Day. Yes. Do you celebrate Christmas, Salta?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
That's
I
great.
drink a wine in Christmas.
So we usually celebrate the 31st of December, like New Year is coming, new page is opening, but I don't think that Kazakh people celebrate the 21st of December. I don't remember that. It's interesting. It's interesting. That's right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bota, please, Miss Bota.
I think no, but people in my country no celebrate Christmas. Они отмечают Новый год.
Yes, they celebrate New Year's Day. They don't celebrate. Yes, они не празднуют. You can say they don't celebrate a Christmas Day.
They celebrate New Year.
Yeah, they celebrate. So you understand? Yes, they celebrate New Year's Day. Oh, that's great. Thank you for your idea, Miss Bota. Miss Bota, please, question number 3.
Do you like public holidays? No, I don't like
Holidays.
public holidays. No, I don't like.
Why don't you like it? Why don't you like it?
But там lot of people, it's discomfort.
It's discomfort. Okay, not comfortable, yeah? Interesting, interesting. Thank you. Do you, Miss Bota? You said you study, am I right? Do you study?
Yes.
Okay. But on public holidays, you relax. Don't you like that? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yes, Miss Jana, please, do you like public holidays? Miss Jana, are you here?
Yes, I like because I relax and if I in work,
Yes, if you are at work, okay.
at work, оплачивается двойне, как будет?
Oh, they pay
По праздникам.
Yes, they pay us. They pay us twice of our salary. Oh my God, salary. Twice деген екесе, salary деген айлық.
Yeah.
They pay us twice of our salary. Yes, yes, please. Again.
Yes.
Do you like public holidays? Yes, I do. Сосын барып айтсаңыз болады.
Yes, I do. Because they pay
Us.
us twice of our salary.
Okay, great. Thank you, Miss Jana. I like it. And we all like money. Yes. That's good. Yes, Salta, please. Salta, Miss Salta. Question number 3.
Do you like public holidays? Yes, I do. I like public holidays because I like the vibe
The vibe of holidays.
where everyone is celebrating and having a great time.
Having a great time. Yeah.
And everyone is happy.
Yeah. Do you usually wear Kazakh national clothes when it's Nowruz? Miss Salta,
How?
do you usually wear national clothes?
Yes, I do. I wear the ethnic
Ah,
jewelry
okay.
in Nowruz,
Yes.
wearing the national clothes.
Yes. Okay. Good. You can say at Nowruz, okay? At Nowruz.
At Nowruz.
Nowruz. Because with like with
Celebrate
holidays, we use
holiday.
at, but when you say, for example, when you use days, for example, Nowruz day, you can say not at, on Nowruz. But there is no day, you should use at Nowruz. I usually wear ethnic clothes, okay?
Oh, I got it.
Yes, that's great. Thank you, Salta. Thank you. Miss Bota, please. Bota, are you here?
Мен уже айттым.
I have already, ағылшынша айтайық соны, мен уже айтып қойдым. I have already, жауап беріп қойдым. Answered. Это понадобится, ведь. I've already answered. Why are you asking? Почему спрашиваете, да? Okay, thank you. Next one. Yes, please, Miss Bota.
Which public holidays
which
public holidays do you like the most?
Yes.
Сонымен төртінші сұрақты ойлап қалдым, типа праздникқа бару деп, оказывается, үйде демалу екен ғой. Тогда маған I like this everything holidays.
Or you can say I
like
adore,
everything.
давайте это, обожаю, I adore all the holidays. Adore деген вообще уже обожаю, короче, обожаю. Love'дан даже. I adore all the holidays. И почему? Because I'm going now колонек. The reason why is the reason. Причина почему? Потому что деген сияқты.
Отдыхаю, демалу қалай болады?
Yes. The reason why is we relax. Take it easy. Na, 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 na. Yes, great. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Bota. I like it. Thank you. Yes, Miss Janar, please. Next, question number 4.
Which public holidays do you like the most? I like all of holidays
All the holidays, okay.
because I'm relaxed and
You relax.
happy.
You feel. I
Happy.
feel happy демей, басқа бір нәрсе дейді. I feel
I feel
excited, довольная такая. Wow, it's the 8th of March. I'm going to have strawberry in chocolate. It's so sweet. Yeah. Yeah, that's great. Thank you, Miss Jana. Yes, thank you. Yes, Miss Salta, here, болады. Қолданбаймыз, ерке стол. I relax and feel.
Question number 4. Which public holidays do you like the most? I like 8th March,
Yeah,
Women's Day.
8th of March.
Women's Day.
Women's Day.
Because it's the first holiday.
It's the first holiday of the year.
It's the first holiday of the spring.
Of spring, yes.
And it's holiday only for women.
For women, okay. Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I do. You definitely have to love the 8th of March, yes? That's great. That's great. Okay. Thank you, Miss Salta. Thank you. Okay. Miss Bota, please. Question number 5.
What did you do during the last public holiday?
Yes.
I don't remember. But I don't remember lesson. But Norna. Это было давно.
It was a long time ago. Р'ны жеп қояйық, сидай букву Р. I don't remember. What did you do during the public holiday, okay? Более нормально звучит этим сол кезде. Once more, please. Once again. Bota, please. Can you read it again, please?
I don't remember. It was a long time ago.
I like it now. I like it. Thank you. Yes, Miss Jana, please.
What did you do during the last public holiday?
Yes, what did you do during the last public holiday? Yep. Делали последнее в течение, да, during, в течение последнего вот мереке, праздник, последний праздник.
В этом месяце или как?
What was the last holiday? September.
Нет, День Конституции как будет? 30-го.
Constitution Day.
Constitution Day.
Yes. Okay. Constitution Day. What did you do? Oh, we have just less than 1 minute. Please, guys, do your homework and classwork. And send the photos to my WhatsApp. You don't do your homework and classwork, guys. Please do your homework and classwork. It's very important. Yeah. Nice to meet you, Salta, again. Bota, welcome. And the next class is on Thursday. Okay, guys?
Thursday?
Thursday. Next lesson is on Thursday. So you can watch the video of this lesson again on YouTube. I will post it to YouTube. So you can write down the sentences and translate new words, put them down in your copybooks. Yes. And if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to ask me on WhatsApp.